Alright, welcome back to another science video. Today we have a special guest, Scientific Alan, here to tell us a little about plasma. So, without further ado, we'll let him take it away.
Thank you, Nathan. Hello friends, I am Alan from my channel Scientific Alan, and today I'm gonna explain you what is plasma. Many of you will be probably knowing the three states of matter: solid, liquid and gaseous. These three are fundamental and they can be found stable in our planet Earth. But there is also a fourth fundamental state of matter called as plasma. Plasma is not that found in our blood, not that like television that we see. It is the fourth state of matter. But how it is formed? It is formed when neutral gas is burnt or heated to such an extent that its nucleus and the electrons split from each other in such a way that it is unstable and unstoppable. In such conditions, the electrons can flow easily, hence the conductivity of plasma is so great. Hence, it is very useful for conducting electricity. And one more thing, plasma cannot be formed in normal heat condition or not found in our Earth. It is found mainly in stellar regions in space, mainly in sun, stars. There are ionized plasma, means ionized atoms of elements. Means plasma can be formed in labs, and there Nathan also formed it. Check it out in the part 1. Nathan also has conducted this experiment in his house. Check it out in part 1 of this video. Okay, it is in my channel Scientific Alan. Make sure you subscribe it and you may watch such scientific videos. Plasma is also found in lignins, but they are partially ionized, hence we can see them visually or we can touch them visually, hence it disappears easily. Plasma was first identified in a Crookes tube and so described by Sir William Crookes in 1879. He called it radiant matter. The nature of this cathode ray matter was subsequently identified by British physicist Sir J.J. Thomson in 1897. The term plasma was coined by Irving Langmuir in 1928. Lewis Tonks and Harold Maude Smith, both whom worked with Irving Langmuir in the 1920s, recall that Langmuir first used the word plasma in analogy with blood. Maude Smith recalls in particular that the transport of electrons from thermionic filaments reminded Langmuir of the way blood plasma carries red and white corpuscles and germs. Langmuir described the plasma he observed as follows. Except near the electrodes where there are sheets containing very few electrons, the ionized gas contains ions and electrons in about equal numbers, so that resultant space charge is very small. We shall use the name plasma to describe this region containing balanced charges of ions and electrons. We can define plasma as a state of matter in which an ionized gas substance becomes highly electrical conductive to the point that long-range electrical and magnetic field dominate the behavior of the matter. The state can be contrasted with other states: solid, liquid and gas. Unlike these other states of matter, plasma is rare on the Earth's surface under normal conditions and is mostly artificially generated from neutral gases. Plasma is an electrically neutral medium of unbound positive and negative particles. That is, the overall change of a plasma is roughly zero. Along these particles are unbound, they are not free in the sense of not experiencing forces. Moving charged particles generate an electrical current within a magnetic field, and any movement of a charged particle plasma affects and is affected by the fields created by the other charges. In turn, this governs collective behavior with many degrees of variations. Talking about plasma temperature is commonly measured in kelvins or electron volts and is informally a measure of the kinetic means thermal kinetic energy per matter. High temperatures are usually needed to sustain ionization, which is a defining feature of a plasma. When lightning strikes us, we burn out because of the intense heat in the light. Plasma is derived from the Greek word plasm, which means moldable substance or jelly, which is also called the cytoplasm, which is found in our cells, which is like a jelly-like substance. Hence, plasm is also called as plasma. Plasma is the most abundant form of original matter, but it is different for dark matter because we have not relevant answers for it. Even scientists don't have answers for it. The nature of plasma is in such a way that the nuclei flows in movable electrons. Hence it is called as plasma. How plasma is amazing, and the secret that we didn't know till now has been revealed. The fourth state of matter, plasma. Now I give it to Nathan to continue this statement so that he can end this video. Before that, I would like to say that after this video, you may watch the part 1 version of this video in the channel, my channel, Scientific Alan. There you will meet Nathan. So, what are you waiting for? Watch this video till the end and then go for it.
Alright, thanks for that, Alan. That was a really great video. And if you guys enjoyed that, you should check out Scientific Alan. He makes lots of good science videos like that about all kinds of topics. So you should check him out. And until next time, peace.